SIM cards are just for phones? Think again. From vending machines to drones, SIM cards and eSIMs are powering devices you use every day, often without you even realizing it. Stick around because some of these will surprise you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. Before we dive in, here's a quick refresher. A SIM card, subscriber identity module, lets a device connect to a cellular network. An eSIM does the same thing, but it's digital and built into the device. No physical card needed. Now, let's check out some of the most unexpected devices that rely on SIM cards and eSIMs. Security cameras and alarm systems. Ever wonder how security cameras stay online even when Wi-Fi goes down? Many use SIM cards so they can keep streaming even during an outage. GPS trackers. If you've lost your pet, a GPS tracker with a SIM card can send real-time location updates to your phone. Same with car trackers used for security and fleet management. Drones with live streaming. Professional drones don't just rely on Wi-Fi. Many have SIM cards which let them transmit live video, update maps, and even receive remote commands. Self-checkout and mobile POS systems. Ever paid with a card at a pop-up shop or food truck? Those mobile point-of-sales devices use SIM cards to process transactions anywhere. Connected cars and smart dash cams. Newer cars come with built-in SIMs for navigation, emergency calls, and remote diagnostics. Even dash cams now use SIM cards to upload footage instantly after an accident. Wearable medical devices. Wearable health monitors and medical alert systems use SIMs to send real-time vitals to doctors, helping detect emergencies before they happen. Smart farming and precision agriculture. Farming is getting smarter. IoT sensors with SIM cards track soil moisture, weather patterns, and crop health, helping farmers make data-driven decisions. ATMs and smart vending machines. ATMs use SIM cards to stay connected even in remote locations. And modern vending machines use SIMs to track inventory, enable cashless payments, and even request restocks automatically. Smart meters for utilities. Utility companies use SIM-connected smart meters to track electricity, water, and gas usage in real time, helping reduce waste and cut costs. Interactive digital signage and kiosks. Airport check-in kiosks and digital billboards that updates automatically are often connected via SIM cards for real-time updates and secure transactions. SIM cards and eSIMs are powering more than just phones. They're driving the future of IoT, smart cities, and everyday tech. And as 5G expands, even more devices will go wireless. Did any of these surprise you? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about what devices can be powered by SIM cards, check out our website. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos from us. Thanks for watching.